Mia, final comments.
What do I say? I have told you that all our DPRs have gone to Delhi. I told you I will sit there, camp there, bring the 1,000 crores, and I will spend it. I will bring the top architects, top engineers in CCP under one roof. If GSIDC can do it, you mean to say CCP can't do it? You mean to say GSIDC is such expert that the Kojiam bridge one span fell? How did it fall? If they're so expert? Mistakes do happen. We have learned to mistakes. Rest assured, you are in safe hands. We will have an entire new technical team, whether it's from abroad, whether it's from India, whether it's from anywhere. Trust me, I will bring you the 1,000 crores and the comprehensive mobility plan, which is done by Group SC, which has been approved by State Level Steering Committee and gone to Delhi. I will say that it is approved. I have my godfathers there, no? You have any doubt about that? Anybody got any doubt?
Okay.
No?
Mia, Putturai's final comments.
I appreciate the energy of the mayor in getting into that. In fact, we are all looking out for that. But at the moment, let us try to put these two proposals together. I am sure he is listening to me. There could be any suggestions coming from that. There are different plans. There is no doubt on that. Every provision is there to bring together. Two brothers and two sisters should stay together and improve Panjim city. And probably what I would say is that I would like to pray to the God. Please save Panjim city.
Panjim is safe. You need not worry. But as a Panjimite, I would say, I look forward for good governance. I look forward for coordination of all the government agencies to keep Panji better managed, especially the traffic, especially the garbage, and especially, well-meaning and good thinking, because now we are getting parking space done at a place which is already congested. We know how congestion takes place while entering the city. Please get good consultants if you want, road consultants, so that they can guide you to clear the traffic from that end. And I also want development. We all want development, but not at the cost of inconveniencing the local, those who are staying in the city.
Let us not make this discussion a trial court for pleasureism. I mean, everybody has worked for the city. Everybody has contributed over the last 10 years or so. So let us move forward jointly, and we will probably come with a fantastic future for us.
Last comment. 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
With all due respect to my architect friend Suktankar, if Panjim is degraded, it's because of few selfish architects who have built the building the way they want.
Point.
Got the point?
Final
and now
point.
I have said that casinos should be removed from our city, go 10 nautical miles, and all government offices should be shifted. Then you see how we do chamakkar of Panjim. Thank you.
हांव इतल्याचेर हांगा बसात थांबयता. तुमी सगळी मुद्दे आयकल्यात. म्हाका एक गजाल दिसता की जशें सांगिल्लें सगळ्यांक खंयची बरी जाल्ली जाय, पूण ती कशी करप, खंयची मार्गान करप आनी कोणा बरोबर करप हाजेरूच सद्याक चड कुफुसांव चल्ला. तर इतलीच अपेक्षा आसा की खंय तरी जेन्ना सगळी एजन्सी बरोबर काम करतात अल्टिमेटली सगळ्यांक पणजेची बरेंच जाल्ली जाय आनी पणजेची वायट जाल्ली जाय अशें म्हणपी कोणूच ना. पूण खंय तरी एक कन्सेन्ससाचेर सगळ्यांनी पावचें, कारण कन्सेन्ससाचेर जर पावनात जाल्यार आमी आडवून उरतले. इतल्याचेर हांव बसाबास हांगा थांबयता. तुमी सगळे जाण आयले आनी मतां मांडली, लोकांनी आयकल्यात, लोकांचे प्रश्न घेतले, तुमी आयले. थँक्स अ लॉट. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
To explain how we are going to address the huge richness you have in the city. So we understand that conservation is not only refurbishing, is not only rebuilding, is not. Conservation has to do with a strategy, a clear strategy of what to do with existing buildings. Bylaws, regulations should be there, that currently there are not, or they are incomplete, they are insufficient. Use and management. And this is the slide that explains our strategy on heritage. We have learned some lessons from Old Goa. Old Goa, we all agree that is a unique place, but as it has been preserved under no use or no promoting new use, it will be little by little will be being less and less and less. This is a GMC, this is the Medical College again, and here we can solve. There are two levels, because it is something similar to that. We have one idea, one tunnel when in the city. We need to provide use to everyone. And when the use is there, we have to manage it. And that's what we're also bringing, and coming again to this unfinished building on the Mala Lake, we are proposing to bring a cultural heritage campus to that particular building, to make it a nice place when the building will have two-story building, but the roof will be like a green urban park. This kind of, the station will be there, but on top, the roof will be a green space. And free parking areas outside the city, well connected to the public transport, as you will see in the following. So here are the parking slots. These are a proposal. And we know that maybe some of the areas we are highlighting may not be possible. Okay, we have some alternatives, and we like also to hear from how we are trying to find a win-win situation between Pato area and Fontañas. We are linking both areas with several bridges. These are the wooden bridges we have already talked before. And also we are making the library closer to this area. You can see they are always overlapping areas where you can change buses, and you can go for any point in the city to any other with only one change of bus. This is also the overall idea. As I said before, quite pretty link to the ice. So there is a two ways road, but this is a unique direction. We are proposing also these two as unique directions.